Welcome to Best Sellers Market, your ultimate destination for discovering top-rated products. Today, we're diving into the world of screen printing with a countdown of the best-selling screen printing products on Amazon. These items are beloved by professionals and hobbyists alike for their quality, durability, and innovative features. So, without further ado, let's get started. Number 10 on our list is the Speedball Fabric Screen Printing Ink. Known for its vibrant colors and smooth application, this ink is a favorite among screen printers. It's water-based, non-toxic, and offers excellent coverage on a variety of fabrics. Coming in at number 9, we have the Viver Screen Printing Machine. This versatile, easy-to-use machine is perfect for beginners and experienced printers. Its adjustable features allow for precise printing, ensuring high-quality results every time. At number 8, we feature the Jacquard Screen Printing Kit. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need to start screen printing at home, from inks to screens and squeegees. It's ideal for DIY enthusiasts looking to create custom designs. Number 7 is the Ecotex AP Blue Screen Printing Emulsion. This pre-sensitized emulsion is ready to use straight out of the bottle, saving you time and hassle. It's perfect for those detailed designs and offers great durability and exposure latitude. Moving on to number 6, we have the Speedball Deluxe Screen Printing Kit. This kit is an excellent choice for anyone wanting to experiment with screen printing. It includes multiple inks, a screen frame, and other essential tools. At number 5, the Udo Personal Screen Printer stands out. This all-in-one screen printing system makes it easy to create custom apparel and accessories. It's user-friendly and designed for home use, making it a great entry point for new screen printers. Number 4 is the Hinge Clamp Screen Printing Press. These clamps are essential for any screen printing setup, providing stability and precision. They're durable and easy to install, ensuring your screens stay in place during printing. Coming in at number 3, the Ease Screen Print Basic Starter Kit is perfect for small projects. This kit includes everything you need to get started with screen printing, from screens to photo emulsion sheets and an exposure board. Our runner-up at number 2 is the Trans-or-Dream Iron-On Transfer Paper. This product is perfect for creating custom t-shirts and other fabric items. It's compatible with inkjet printers and provides vibrant, long-lasting prints. And finally, the number 1 best-selling screen printing product on Amazon is the Speedball Screen Printing Frame with Fabric. This high-quality frame is perfect for all your screen printing needs. It's durable, easy to use, and provides consistent professional results. Thank you for joining us on this countdown of the best-selling screen printing products on Amazon. Be sure to check out these top-rated items and take your screen printing projects to the next level. Stay tuned to Best Sellers Market for more exciting product reviews and countdowns. Until next time, happy printing! Are you ready to revolutionize your silk screen printing game? At number 5, we bring you the ultimate game changer, the dual-edge aluminum emulsion scoop coater for silk screen printing coating tool in a perfect 10-inch size. But hold on tight, because this isn't just any scoop coater. Crafted with precision from hard anodized aluminum, this tool is designed to endure, ensuring you get the perfect coat every single time. Whether you're working with high mesh counts or low, this versatile scoop coater has got you covered. One edge is sharp for those intricate high mesh screens, while the other is rounded, making it ideal for lower mesh counts. Talk about dual functionality. And let's not forget the details. The plastic end caps aren't just there for looks. They provide a comfortable grip, ensuring you can handle your coating with ease and precision. The guidance caps ensure that every stroke is smooth, every layer is even, transforming your printing process into a seamless experience. But that's not all. Included are 2 special rubber edge protectors, a small yet significant addition that keeps your scoop coater in pristine condition, free from nicks and scratches, prolonging its lifespan and ensuring consistent performance. Imagine a tool that adapts to your needs, providing the perfect coat every time. A tool that's built to last, with a design that makes your job easier and more efficient. That's what you get with the dual-edge aluminum emulsion scoop coater. Precision, durability, and ease of use, all wrapped up in one phenomenal product. So, if you're serious about your silk screen printing, Make sure you have this indispensable tool in your arsenal. It's not just a scoop coater, it's the upgrade your process has been waiting for. Prepare to elevate your screen printing to new heights with our number 4 pick. Rapid Cure Registered Trademark Screen Printing Ink Black. This isn't just any ink, it's a pint of pure innovation, ready to transform your fabric printing projects. Imagine this, an ink that cures at a remarkably low temperature of just 270 degrees Fahrenheit, compared to the typical 320 degrees Fahrenheit. Yes, you heard that right. Rapid Cure Plastisol ink is engineered for ease, allowing you to work with confidence and precision. Its extended shelf life of over 12 months ensures you always have vibrant ink at the ready, making it a staple in your screen printing arsenal. Versatility? Absolutely. This incredible ink is designed for a wide range of textiles, from cotton to polyester blends. Whether you're printing directly onto fabric or creating heat transfers, Rapid Cure adapts to your preferred method. Low bleed properties mean your designs stay crisp and clear, no matter the material. But let's talk style. Rapid Cure delivers bold, vibrant, and highly opaque colors that make your designs pop. Its short body formulation makes it incredibly easy to work with on your screen printing press. Layer your colors with precision, and watch as your creations come to life in stunning detail. Options? We've got you covered. From classic black to dazzling glitter, Rapid Cure offers a spectrum of colors to suit every project. And the curing process is flexible too. Use a heat press, conveyor dryer, flash dryer, or even a heat gun. Perfect for DIY enthusiasts and professional printers alike. Proudly made in the USA, Rapid Cure is non-phthalate, non-toxic, and CPSIA compliant. Hand-scooped by Screen Print Direct's finest, each pint is crafted with care and quality you can trust. So if you're looking to bring your screen printing to the next level, Rapid Cure Registered Trademark Screen Printing Ink Black is your go-to. It's not just ink, it's the future of fabric printing, right at your fingertips. Prepare to embark on a creative journey with our number 3 pick, the Cyanotype Sensitizer Kit. This kit isn't just a product, it's a gateway to a world of artistic expression and scientific discovery, perfect for turning your imagination into stunning blueprints. Imagine this. A complete cyanotype kit featuring 16 ounces of cyanotype solution split into 2 parts for easy mixing. With the included droppers, creating your own cyanotype prints becomes a seamless and engaging process. Just add water, and you're ready to dive into the fascinating world of sun printing. Versatility is the name of the game with this kit. Whether you're working on paper, cotton, linen, silk, canvas, watercolor paper, art boards, wood, leather, or natural materials, the Cyanotype kit adapts effortlessly. The variety of surfaces means endless possibilities for your creativity to flourish. And here's the beauty of it. No special talent or artistic experience is required. The Cyanotype Sun Printing Kit guarantees beautiful results every time. By simply following the supplied instructions, you can capture delicate leaves, intricate plants, and charming flowers, transforming them into impressive works of art for your home. Welcome into the world of arts. This kit is perfect for art enthusiasts, photography clubs, team building events, nature lovers, and community gatherings. Any group with a passion for photography, art, science, or hands-on activities will find immense value and joy in exploring the wonders of cyanotype printing. Customer satisfaction is our priority. If you're not completely thrilled with our Sun Cyanotype printing kit, our dedicated customer service team is here to ensure your happiness. Feel free to order now and create your very own unique botanical art prints. Discover the joy of cyanotype dye, a timeless printing technique that harnesses the power of the sun. So unleash your creativity, explore the magic of sun printing, and make every project a masterpiece with the Cyanotype Sensitizer Kit. It's more than a kit. It's an invitation to create, experiment, and inspire. Are you enjoying the countdown of the best-selling screen printing products on Amazon? Well, don't mess around. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon so you never miss out on the latest and greatest in screen printing supplies. Introducing our #2 pick in the countdown of best-selling screen printing products on Amazon. Ecotex registered trademark screen printing emulsion remover. This is more than just a cleaner. It's a game changer for every screen printing enthusiast and professional out there. Let's dive into what makes this product truly exceptional. First off, Ecotex screen printing emulsion remover is designed to simplify your life. This 16-ounce pint of power-packed solution is formulated to effortlessly strip away photo emulsion from your screen printing screens. Whether you're working with silk screens or photopolymer emulsion stencils, this remover handles it all with ease and precision. Imagine the convenience of a remover that's not only effective but also incredibly easy to use. No more struggling with stubborn emulsion residues or spending endless hours scrubbing. With Ecotex, you simply apply the solution, let it work its magic, and rinse away, leaving your screens spotless and ready for the next creative project. Why is this remover a must-have in your screen printing toolkit? It's all about efficiency and results. Ecotex is crafted to provide a thorough clean, ensuring no trace of emulsion is left behind. This means your screens are not only clean but also preserved, extending their lifespan and maintaining the quality of your prints. But it doesn't stop there. Ecotex screen printing emulsion remover is part of a trusted lineup of screen printing supplies, known for their reliability and top-notch performance. When you choose Ecotex, you're choosing a brand that understands the needs of screen printers, delivering products that enhance your workflow and elevate your craft. So if you're ready to take your screen printing process to the next level, Ecotex screen printing emulsion remover is your go-to solution. It's not just a product, it's the key to a smoother, more efficient printing experience, allowing you to focus on what you do best, creating amazing prints. Ecotex screen printing emulsion remover, where ease meets excellence. Transform your cleaning routine and keep your screens in pristine condition with this indispensable tool. Make it a part of your screen printing arsenal today. Finally, we reach the pinnacle of our countdown, the #1 best-selling screen printing product on Amazon, the 3 yards 1.27 meters silk screen printing fabric mesh. This isn't just a mesh, it's the epitome of quality and precision in the screen printing world. Crafted from high-quality polyester filaments, this mesh is produced using state-of-the-art machinery to create monofilament screen printing mesh yarn. The result? A product with exceptional accuracy and unmatched stability. It's designed for those who demand perfection in every print. Imagine a mesh that forms evenly, providing high product accuracy and good stability, all while being affordable. Yes, you get top-tier quality without breaking the bank. The 110 mesh 43T fabric ensures your prints are sharp, vibrant, and consistent, making every project a masterpiece. What sets this mesh apart is its ability to withstand high tension. It performs exceptionally well under ink, maintaining its integrity and delivering flawless results. The polyester material offers strong wrinkle resistance and good elasticity, ensuring dimensional stability under tension. It's designed to resist deformation, sunlight, and abrasion, making it a reliable partner in your screen printing journey. Storing this mesh is a breeze. It remains clean and tidy thanks to its excellent electrical insulation and chemical resistance. It can withstand dilute acid at room temperature and is intolerant to alkali, making it versatile for various applications. The selling size of 1.27 meters by 3 yards provides ample material for multiple projects, ensuring you're always ready to create. In summary, the 3 yards 1.27 meters silk screen printing fabric mesh is not just a top seller. It's a testament to superior craftsmanship and innovation. It combines high-quality materials, precise manufacturing, and affordability, delivering a product that meets the highest standards of screen printing professionals. For those who seek excellence in every print, this is your #1 choice. Elevate your screen printing game with the best mesh in the market. The 3 yards 1.27 meters. Silk screen printing fabric mesh, where precision meets performance and quality meets affordability. We hope you enjoyed the countdown of the best-selling screen printing products on Amazon. To stay updated with all the top picks, be sure to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon. Check the pinned comment for links to all the products we discussed today. Until next time, thank you and see you soon. You.